Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily change your YouTube channel banner. So I'll show you what the YouTube channel banner is actually. So in order to do this, first I will have to open the youtube.com, and now I'll click on my profile icon, and now I'll show you what the channel banner is actually. So if I click on my channel, as you can see this option, this big banner right here, tech info, subscribe, and this thing. So this is what is called a banner. So in order to add this or change this, what you'll have to do is click on your profile and go on to YouTube Studio. Once you're in the YouTube Studio, you will have to click on this option customization in the left side, and you have to go on to this section, branding section, and now you have to go to the branding section, and then you can see this option banner image, and now you can click on this change option, and now you can add the banner which you have saved. So the banner should be in this pixels, this resolution. So you have to make sure, and you also have to make sure that it's in 6 MB or less, and you can easily remove the profile, remove the banner from here as well. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.